Oh, I get.
Yo, today we're playing Power Wash Simulator, and he is here now, so, prepare for chaos. Oh. Why? Why? That's it. Alright, we're cleaning this thing. Man, I gotta remember how to use this. We're cleaning the mini golf course, so, and I only have the 30,000. What? That's not. Oh wait, that's. Okay, whatever. Clean the golf course. Oh well, we only need the 0 for this.
Wait.
You know, I'm gonna try and make this.
Hold on, you ready for this? You
Yeah.
weren't ready for this, but now you're in my way.
I'm gonna try and make this the least. It has been a single minute. I'm going to try and make this the least satisfying pressure wash simulator video ever.
It's a ghost because it goes like woo, woo.
Come on, let's clean this wall.
I gotta change my nozzle maybe.
Nah, changing nozzles is for losers. Okay, I can already tell this. Hold up, why is? Oh, never mind. I can already tell this video is going to be absolutely terrible.
It's very loud.
I have my volume turned down, so it's not that.
It's very loud. I'll tell you that.
Womp womp. You should probably clean the.
What are you talking?
Clean the floor.
I might need soap.
Eh. Do you have soap equipped?
Yeah.
This is like extreme. That you're just spraying water.
No, right here. Right here, I have soap. See?
No, that's the soap sprayer. You don't actually have any soap equipped in the soap sprayer.
Okay.
No, so this is, you can get this stuff with the 40-degree nozzle. I don't think we need soap on this. Yes, that's
is this
soap.
stone? It's stone.
No, this is multi-purpose. You can see by looking at it, but we don't need soap on this, Marcus. This is like the easiest dirt in the game.
That's interesting.
Same.
You're missing so much.
Remember when I said I'm gonna try and make this the least satisfying pressure washing sim video ever? I'm not gonna have to try. Because I just am not good at things to begin with.
Oh my god, I'm on top of the world.
Where did you? Are you up here?
I'm cleaning the frog.
Are you up here?
I need to.
Why are you bathing the frog in soap? I'm gonna go back down here and finish the floor.
I'm gonna work on the frog.
Just the frog, nothing else up there?
Hold on, just let me focus on the ground.
Boom.
I did it.
Sure, buddy. Of course you did. Stop dying. It's rude. Don't you know that?
Wait, why do I have the Prime Vista 3000?
Oh, we both do, I believe. Yeah. It's because it's one of the special levels. Oh, I forgot you can do that. Did you know you can hit R to rotate your nozzle?
Yeah, I actually did.
No, you didn't.
I did that.
No, you didn't.
I did the.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Oh, you didn't say anything that time. No, you didn't. Careful, this video might get copyright struck with that wonderful singing.
She's scared of showing. Are you think you're going, baby?
See,
Hey,
you know it's
I
good singing.
you.
Okay, I was gonna say, I can't even tell what you're singing. I can now tell what you're singing.
So call me baby. Hey,
Out of all the songs,
and this is
you could
crazy. But here's my number. So call me baby.
how to get the kiosk. Like the things from
Is that
Chili's.
song copyrighted?
Probably, I would assume so.
I want to get lost in real quick.
I keep trying to hit C to crouch. It's annoying.
Hold on.
Boom.
Alright.
Wunderbar! What are you doing up there?
Wait. What is it? Do I have it muted or something?
Yeah, you have it muted.
What?
I gotta be honest, I'm not even looking at your stream. I have no clue what you're talking about.
I'm working on that.
Oh, I am so good at this game. Why'd you stop streaming?
Because dang it. Okay, I'll start streaming again.
Cause
No, we can't.
it dang it. Merc 20.
I was trying to play copyrighted music.
Cool.
We need a. Can you like help me for once? I'm
Marcus!
trying to sing the frog.
Get down! I am actually doing. Why is the thing in the top left tweaking?
Yeah, but I want to perfect cleaning the frog. The frog deserves its territory.
Oh. Oh, that's right.
What?
Isn't clean on it? Oh, there's something that's not clean on it. Oh, there's a bunch not clean there. Marcus, you suck at cleaning frogs. See? I'm so good at this. Whee! It's time to clean some rocks. That's what I was trying to do.
He's better at driving near you.
I don't know. I've never driven.
I imagine that means I'm better.
Sure.
And
I'm
I've
shocked
driven
you're still
before.
alive, to be honest.
In the parking lot of my dad's truck.
Yeah, I know. I'm shocked you're still alive.
Oh, this frog is looking great.
Marcus, the frog is clean.
I know, I was cleaning up the like pool
Oh.
beside it.
Like, oh, this isn't even gonna seem like it's a multiplayer video. Just because
Well, but a lot of
have you
work-
like gotten a single ding?
Yeah, I just got one.
That was me!
Oh, my bad.
My guy, I'm pretty sure you haven't gotten a single ding.
I did most of the frog, except for one speck that you finished.
Yeah, so you didn't get the ding for it though.
Yeah, you stole it.
Get your dings up, no, you're funny up.
No.
Yeah.
Dude, we only have to clean 6% more, we're already almost done.
I don't think that's what that means, Marcus.
How did someone let it get this dirty anyway?
I don't know, maybe it's like abandoned or something.
We listen and we
I don't
judge.
follow the I don't know what I was trying. We don't follow Man, what? I don't follow
The lore.
Yes, the Power Wash Simulator lore. Oh my goodness, why
Oh,
was
shit,
that
it's
so
really good.
difficult to say?
There should be
Cleaning
just
the
only
entrance.
frogs.
There should be only frogs.
Yeah. Yo, there's a golf ball, and it can move.
Yes, there's a lot of golf balls. This is a golf course.
Oh
I
my
guess
god.
putt-putt, not, and putt-putt's close enough.
Where did it go?
Golf.
Oh, right here. Yo, I scored. I scored. I
You
did it.
scored? I don't think that's.
Where did it
Actually,
go?
I don't think that's proper golf terminology.
I made a basket. I
I'm just
made a
gonna
home
place.
run.
I'm just gonna place golf ball in the. Yo, can I? I can go down the ramp. Yo. Game of the year. Like how I say that, like this game is not like kind of past when it was popular. If it would have been game of the year, it would have been like 2012. 30, 20. I don't know what I'm trying to say, bro. It's late. Why, I don't know why I'm...
By the way, guys, at the time of recording, it is 3:36 in the morning.
Sure. Whatever you say. Bro, why did bro... Sneeze on that thing. I'm sorry. Don't you know that dying in public is impolite?
I love how you can
Boom!
just, like, kind of... like,
Did you say you like how you can kind of just jump?
yeah.
You can, in fact, jump.
Making some good progress.
Same, bro. I've gotten so many things.
So did I.
I gotta be honest, Marcus. You gotta pick up the pace, bro. You're not meeting this.
Do you see what I'm doing though? I'm cleaning
You
the
haven't.
frog.
You haven't meeting this quotas or this. By the way, the pond isn't fully clean.
Oh no, I'm working on it. Let me get the ding. I want the ding.
I'm gonna steal your ding. Boom.
I
Stole
swear,
I already stole it. It's clean now.
I'm gonna
steal this too.
No, I've been doing it for longer. This is
I'm gonna steal it.
I want more dings.
Oh, there's the arch stolen. There's the
No,
floor stolen.
Let me get
Fine,
it.
fine. Oh, this is all the ninth hole too.
What?
Do you see him?
Yeah, can you move so that I could like?
Man, that was probably my worst yee hoi ever.
How do I
am literally so good at this game. HEB, unsweetened sparkling water grapefruit. Yippee.
He's gone now. I ended the gnome's life.
Why? One less
Oh,
gnome
I
and
did.
they'll be gone. Make a count, put the gnome on. Is this the easiest mission in... I almost said ultra kill. I don't think this is ultra kill.
I got it,
pressure
Dave.
washing. Good job, baby's first thing.
You stole like half of my other one.
Lies, I would never. Lies, I tell you, lies.
I got more dings. I'm dinging it up.
There's an in-game chat. No, there isn't.
No, this calls for.
Pressure washing.
Bubbles.
Bubbles.
Bubbles. I say bubbles.
Like your pet hamster got ran over by a truck.
It created bubbles. Now we shall create masterpiece.
I am so good at this game, bro. I am such a good at this game.
We're already like 10% done.
11 actually. Duh. Oh. Yes, each one of these planks is an individual ding. I am getting so much ding.
They're worth 25 cents though.
Yeah, but I'm so much better because I'm ding. Oh, yeah. Oh, that shows how much the exit rocks count for. I've already been recording for 16 minutes. Zooey mama.
Have you though? Or is it all just a lie?
Who knows? A wise person once said,
Try, if you're a W Sigma, don't forget to like and subscribe.
just because you said that, if you, in the comments, if you classify yourself as a, what did you say?
W Sigma.
Yes, if you go up to people and unironically tell them that you are a W Sigma, I want you to dislike the video and leave. These exit rocks are dirty.
What do you think I'm working on right now?
And not the exit rocks, that's what I'm working on.
I'm working on the castle walls.
Wow. No way. I should. Yeah, there is definitely, in fact, some rocks that exist here.
Hey, no, I'm working on this. Oh, let me do this.
I know, I wasn't gonna steal it. I just wanted to steal that, like, 1 square inch.
Are you flying?
Maybe. Perchance.
Did you download Hacks, Asher?
Pressure washing simulator hacks.
2024-2025 edition.
Oh yeah, you're right. I used to have the 2012 edition.
Ah. I'm getting the top of the wall finished, and then I'm gonna do the sides.
He's getting the top of the wall finished, and then he's gonna do the sides.
Oh yeah, in the shower earlier I dropped the soap 5 times by accident.
Okay.
That was scary.
I'm not sure what that has to do with pressure washing, but okay.
Oh, this is blue.
No, it isn't. Liar.
Yeah, it is. No, please, I really want to do this.
I love thieving. Oh, I found the gnome. He really is dead. He's just lying on the floor down here. Did you throw him off?
Maybe.
Oh my. Man, how does this get this dirty? Well, obviously it was a volcano. But that's just a theory. A pressure washing theory. Thanks for not watching.
Matt Pat, did you guys know Matt Pat's retired?
No. Okay, if you're watching the video, then you probably, or if anybody watches this video, the lore, but like, No, we're not bringing that back, Marcus. No, 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 no.
But actually, like, did you know he was?
He did. He's been retired for 33 years.
Wait, actually? I didn't know it was
844.
33 years.
Yeah. He left
You're like-
in 1984. That's. I don't think that's 33 years ago, but I don't feel like doing
I thought he
math.
left like 5 or 6 years ago, at the most. No, not. We're in 6.
Did you say 5 or 6 years? Yeah, sure, 5 or 6 years ago. My guy, you were like 17 5 or 6 years ago. That's accurate.
No, I'm 32.
Oh, okay. Are those spreading misinformation online?
Yay. I'm almost done with all the top of all of the walls.
Almost done with the exit rocks because I'm so good at exiting rocks.
Alright, now time to do the sides.
Ow! My palm! I have no clue what just happened, but I was in severe pain for a couple seconds. I am, however, now out of severe pain. Say out of like gas. Come on, dude. How is that not the last bit? If you steal these exit rocks from me, I am leaving.
Okay. Oh, nothing is now done.
Gotta be somewhere I'm missing.
So dirty.
Yep, that's why this game exists.
How did it get so dirty?
Oh.
We should record grocery store simulator.
No. We're not recording the bean store that sells beans and definitely not yeah! And definitely not drugs. Good job.
What are you doing, Asher? I'm trying to work, Asher.
The funny.
Go work
The
on
funny.
like the bottom.
Fine.
Work on the bottom castle.
Boring.
I'm the only one doing anything here.
Sure, buddy, sure. Sure, Batman, sure. Come down here and look at all I've done. Okay?
Okay, hold on. Let me just finish the walls and then I'll look at what you've accomplished.
They're in the walls!
No, they aren't. They're in
Okay.
the grate.
Good to know.
I'm gonna put moldy cheese in your taco.
Okay, remind me not to eat tacos.
Why not?
I wonder. I'm going to put moldy cheese in your tacos. Why don't you want to eat tacos? My guy. Stop. Okay, it didn't work. I was hoping saying stop would make the virus, like, leave. It didn't seem to work, in fact. Stop dying.
I'm gonna jump you.
Okay.
On Tuesday o'clock at 5:39.2 p.m.
I hate cleaning these, like,
Why?
handrails.
How do you have a ladder?
What do you mean, how do I have a ladder? You can pick it up if you want. They're just kind of in the map on, like, every map.
Lucky.
In case you need to reach a spot you can't get to. Why else would there be a ladder?
Why else would there be a ladder?
That's what. Chat.
Wait, did I miss
Kill
this?
his family.
Bro, I missed this.
Chat, steal his liver.
Yo, why are the trees green?
Chlorophyll.
Makes sense. Can I have some chlorophyll? My poop is
Is
great,
it?
so I'm hoping if I have it, I'll
My
cancel it
guy,
out.
no, we're not doing this. No.
Oh, what did I do?
Can you not talk about the color of your poop in a YouTube video?
Jork.
Why did you say jort?
Yeah.
Isn't it like the clothing item?
Isn't like a joke.
Oh.
Very interesting, I know. No, I'm a philosopher on my days off. What are you gonna be for Halloween?
My God, what month is it? 12?
It's the first month.
No, it's the 12. It's 12.
Are you sure?
Not the 12th month. It's the 12.
Oh. Okay.
It is today 12, 2 month old. Boom.
Oh, we only have like 21% more to do.
Yeah, that's what that means.
I want more money.
And clean
I should pay by
better.
the hour.
No, because then you would just AFK in this game.
No, who would do that?
You.
Daniel.
Wait, my guy, you would.
Oh wait, no, Layden.
My guy, you can't be sent. Haven't you spent like over a week or something AFKing in the stupid Pet Rock game?
Fuck you. No, like I literally told you that wasn't AFK. It grows offline.
Sure, buddy. Sure.
It literally doesn't.
Sure, buddy. Sure.
You'll have over a
Whatever
week
you
as well.
say.
I probably have like.
Sure, buddy. Whatever you say, Bucko, Buckaroo, Mister. Oh, you're down here now.
No, I'm just soaping up this. I need to do some super epic
Have you
parkour.
seen how much I've cleaned?
Basically nothing.
What do you mean, basically nothing? Have you come down to the
Look
lobby
at
area?
this.
Yes, I have been working on this stuff.
Makes sense.
I've been working on like the check-in area type thing.
Oh, so that's why it's so dirty.
I'm gonna kill your family. This is a joke, by the way. This is a joke. This is not a real threat yet.
Notice how he says yet.
I didn't say yet. What are you talking about? Liar. Lies.
I have money.
No, you don't. Liar. You're not allowed to have money. I don't pay you.
Aw. I seems like child labor.
Exactly.
Aw. That seems like it's not allowed.
Yes, it is. Anything's allowed if you don't get caught.
Like, set up a secret gambling room in the back of a laundromat.
Who would ever do that?
I don't know.
Right? Who would ever do that?
I don't know.
Are those barks in game or real life? Boom, I cleared the first hole.
There's graffiti.
No way.
I'm cleaning off the graffiti.
No way. Can't believe anybody would ever do that.
As I cleaned the first hole. You need to catch the person who did this and serve them right to jail.
And steal their liver.
They need the death penalty. No, you're not Mario. You're not allowed to do that.
I'll pretend that makes sense.
Because Mario's the one that gets to steal your liver.
You're not wrong about that.
I know. I'm never wrong. My allergies are bad.
Wait, I can't make this satisfying. I realized I was going in neat rows.
Mine is very satisfying.
Sure, Buckaroo, sure. This game needs a, like, you know in Ready or Not when you hit T and it opens the, like, body cam?
Yeah.
This game needs that.
No.
I don't know why, it just does.
Yo, I cleaned the castle overhang.
No, you didn't. Liar. Liar, liar, pants ablaze.
Aw. Why are my pants ablaze?
Because you're a liar, liar. Boom! I am such a good at this game.
Should give me some money.
I don't pay you. You don't get paid.
Oh.
Okay.
How about I'll do your taxes?
You think I do taxes?
I made a lot of progress.
No, you haven't, liar.
I'm gonna soap up the stairs.
Why you're gonna slip and fall and break your neck and die?
Nuh-uh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You wanna do all the work?
What?
You wanna do all the work and just give me money?
No, because if I do all the work, you're not gonna get money.
Yeah, it's if you get a dig, it gives me the money as well.
No. Oh, wait a minute, you're right.
Yeah.
No, actually, you're not right. I lied.
Remind me
Small
of her.
forest mushroom. Did you know small forest mushroom? There's a small forest mushroom.
No.
What about the forest mushroom house? Let me check. Oh, there's mold. Okay. Kind of sucks. Mold.
Actually, there's an old forest mushroom on me.
There's an old forest mushroom on you?
Yeah.
If you can crank 180 or crank 90s, can you also crank 180s?
No.
Can you crank a 720?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know.
Okay.
Don't know why that's good to know, but it is.
Good to know.
Oh, man. I've recorded for 35 minutes and we're 30% done. And it's almost midnight.
Yeah, I'm getting kind of sleepy.
Soon.
And my allergies are getting bad.
Oh, haha. Skill shoot. Bro has allergies. Oh no, another small forest mushroom.
Yo, how much cleaning does this thing need? I think I'm almost done though.
Probably a decent bit of cleaning.
I did it.
We're 30% done.
I'm gonna clean this.
No, you're not. Liar. I wonder if anybody's gonna watch this at the same time where. Yeah, I know nobody's gonna watch this, Marcus, but I wonder if anybody's gonna watch this at the same time we're recording it, and also wonder why they're watching this at midnight. When we're not watching it at midnight, we're playing it at midnight. We're recording it at midnight. Can you move? I'm trying to clean this small forest, or this forest tree stump. I hate you.
I got the ding.
I hate you. Why are you like this? Go eat an anvil.
That's revenge.
Help me clean this forest, Knight.
I dare you to give me the ding.
No. I don't want to.
I'm getting wet.
Yes, that's how. Pressure washing. Boom, I got it.
I got it.
No, I got it.
No.
I
No,
watched me get the last. I got the last. I lastly got. See, you didn't clean the outside of the tower.
Yeah,
How dare you? How dare you? You didn't finish the 9th hole or the floor up here. Man, you suck at that. And you didn't get the parapet wall. Man, you need to get.
I need to say something now, Shasha. Wait, stop spraying. Stop spraying. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah, okay. I know it's hard sometimes, but I need to go sometimes.
Did he ult F4? He ult F4. I think he might have turned off his computer. Okay, well, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you wanna. I might make another part to this. I don't know. Goodbye. Have a good day.